Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop tabs from automatically opening in the Google app on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Google app on your device. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Settings. Scroll down and tap on Other Settings. Now look for the option called Open Web Pages in the app. If it's turned on, simply turn it off. This will make links open in your default browser instead of inside the Google app. If the issue still continues, go to your phone's settings, open the Apps section, then tap on Default Apps. Next, select Browser App. Now choose your preferred browser such as Chrome, Samsung Internet, or any other browser installed on your device. Once done, links will open in your selected browser instead of creating tabs in the Google app. And that's it. That's how you can fix this issue. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.